Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can stop duplicate chat notification on Google Chat. So guys, first of all, open your Google Chat application on your phone. Then after that, you are going to tap on this three lines button on the top left corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you and you're going to click on the settings option. Okay, and if you want to stop duplicate chat notification, you have to disable this mobile notification. So you can click on this toggle button to disable the mobile notification. And right after you turn off this mobile notification, you won't get the duplicate chat notification on your Google Chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can stop duplicate chat notification on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.